teacher, the one who wants to make students a better human being. At the beginning of the school year, a teacher prepares attendance register and timetable. Besides instructing students in the class, a teacher understands and helps students having difficulties, motivates students to participate in competitions and programs. Tracks students' achievements and updates parents on the progress of the child. Ensures safety of students when she or he arranges the picnic. And supervises when exams are conducted. Teacher likes when her students do well in class. A teacher play a lots of role in students' life. For example, you can understand the role of the teacher with the help of the given picture. Unit 3, Lesson 26, A School Teacher's Thoughts, a monologue. Monologue means a long speech or reading given by a single speaker. In this lesson, the speaker is a school teacher. Let's understand the meaning of difficult words from the lesson. Lesson 26, A School Teacher's Thoughts, a monologue. In this lesson, a teacher is going to her school and she is getting late for her school. That's why she started to talking herself. Now let's see what she is talking to herself. Oh dear, a traffic jam. Traffic jam means a large number of vehicles on the road unable to move fast. Will I reach late? Teacher is saying to herself, will I reach late because of this traffic jam? Children will wonder why I haven't turned up. Turned up means arrived. Children will become wonder why I haven't arrived. I wish I could have started a little earlier today. But how? It's difficult with all the housework, cleaning, cooking, getting my children and their tiffin ready for school. But still, I see to it that I am never late to school. Besides of all the household work, even I am always trying to be never late to school. I wonder if students know that teacher have homeworks too. I'll become wonder if students will also understand that teacher have homework too. What kind of homework? Correcting their notebooks, test papers, planning how to make their lessons interesting and happy. It's not easy to keep so many children busy in their work. They were so restless. Restless means unable to stay still or quiet. It's not easy to make the students be quiet or busy in their work. In class, half my time is spent in solving their little problems, quarrels, and complaints. Quarrels means fights. In class, half my time is spent in solving their little problems, quarrels, and complaints. They are endless, and they are endless. Endless means never ending. Now, don't think I am complaining. Not at all. I love all the children in my class. I think of them all the time. How eager they are to show me what they do. Eager means wanting something very badly. Means children are very eager to show the teacher whatever they are doing. How happy they look when I praise their work. They depend on me so much. Depend means to trust someone. Means children are trusting to the teacher a lot. That is why even when I am not well, I don't feel like missing school. That's why whenever I was not feeling well, even I don't like to miss the school. I love being a school teacher. Where else could I be like a mom to so many loving kids for a few hours every day? Oral work. Complete the following. The teacher's homework is. Answer is correcting their notebooks, test papers, planning how to make their lessons interesting and happy. Complete the following. The teacher feels that her students depend on her a lot. Therefore, answer is she does not like missing school. Thank you. Have a nice day.